Today we're going to talk about how public speaking helps your children.
Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sharmila
And this is Ashile.
and a very warm welcome to our channel Parenting.
In this video, we're going to talk about we're going to learn how public speaking helps children excel in different areas of their life. And if you like this topic, then subscribe to stay updated on all things related to public speaking because we post new and helpful content every single week.
Super. So Ashley, come on, let's talk about public speaking and how it helps children, because today, more those than ever before, public speaking has become the most important skill for every child to have.
Yes.
Because it helps them in all areas of life, and that's exactly what we're going to discuss. So,
Yes. Why don't you go ahead? Tell me what we're going to basically list out the benefits of public speaking and stay till the end because we have a little story time for you guys as well. But I want to know, what do you think are the benefits of public speaking?
Number one, according to me, is it helps you make friends. It actually helps you become so social, and it helps you to connect with people. In fact, when I was growing up as a child, I used to feel really hesitant to talk to people because I wasn't very confident.
Mhm.
But what I'm seeing now is when children have that public speaking skill, they're able to connect to anyone, whether it's their age group or older. They're just so confident. In fact, I think it's brought us to another topic. What do you think, Ashley?
Absolutely. So that's the second point, right? It increases your confidence or enhances your level of confidence so much. So if you see confidence, I mean, it's a tricky subject and it takes a lot to kind of develop. But when you're being a public speaker and when you keep giving these speeches and you're attending competitions and all of that, after a point, your confidence level and your self-confidence increases.
That brings us to the third point, that it teaches children good planning skills. Yeah, when you have to give out a nice speech, the first thing that is important is you plan your speech and make it flow in a way that it is connected. So children learn how to plan, and experience of planning is also something that
That's
comes
true.
along with public speaking. So what else?
That's amazing. And I also think that along with planning, I mean, when you're a public speaker, not everything goes according to plan as well. And you also learn how to take care of things if things don't go according to plan. So I think that's a really great point. Coming to the fourth point, now this could go both ways for parents listening, but public speakers, if you look at the greatest leaders of our world, you know that they're amazing public speakers. They know how to make people listen and listen to what they have to say and all of those fun things. So public speaking essentially increases your child's level of persuasion, right? So it's kind of like
Ask me about it. Having a public speaker, that to a debater at home, has its own challenges.
it's a lot of fun though, because instead of just going up to your parents and saying, okay, I want this, and kind of throwing a tantrum about it, now your children, with the ability to plan, with the ability to persuade, they'll probably give you the pros and cons of any decision and fun things like that. So it is a double-edged sword, but it is a nice skill to have, I feel like.
Very, very true. Very true. I mean, jokes apart, when your child is out there in the world, it's very important for them to take a subject, look at it in a very objective manner, look at the pros and cons, and then come up with a persuasive speech. So it teaches them the art of persuasion. And parents, you just have to be on top of your game for that.
Yeah, I mean, it's great if you guys learn public speaking with your children, because that way, I mean, you both can use the art of persuasion. Okay, mom, so what's next on the list?
So it brings me to the final point, that with just this one public speaking skill, children can handle pretty much anything that is thrown at them. When I say thrown at them, be it a competition, be it a bully, or be it a college admission, they can just pretty much ace their way through, because now they know how to plan, how to look at the pros and cons of anything, and with persuasion, they can definitely see their way through.
So now that we're coming towards the end of this video, as promised, I'm going to tell you guys a little story time. Now, this is something that we share in all of our public speaking classes, and that is how much public speaking has impacted my life. So when I was a smaller kid, I used to be super shy. So I used to be the kind of kid, if we ever went to a family function, I would hide behind my mother and I couldn't even talk to my extended family, and things were pretty bad. And I also happened to be bullied at a certain point of my life, and I just couldn't stand up to my bullies because I just wasn't confident enough. And then enter public speaking, like the hero amazing thing that it is. I was able to learn all the things that we just spoke about. So definitely enhanced my level of confidence, self-confidence in myself. And I figured that, if you can talk in front of a room full of people, then you can literally do anything that you want to do in life. So if you're someone who has children, then public speaking is a great skill for them to develop. And I want to thank you for helping me develop my skill.
Thank you, Ashley. So if you found this video useful, I strongly suggest that you share it with your children, because once they understand the importance of public speaking, they can definitely take their journey to the next level.
Amazing. It was so much fun hanging out with you guys today, and we hope that this conversation was insightful for you. And if it was, we would love for you to join the family by subscribing down below, because we're going to be here week after week giving you guys more value related to public speaking. So, Mom, last comments?
So we hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it for you. Take good care of yourself. Until we meet next time. Ciao.